Hi, today I will show you how to fix these Sony WH-M3 wireless headphones side headband sliders very easy. If you don't fix broken sliders, the headphones will break more and will not be usable anymore. There are two ways how to fix this defect. You can press a lot of superglue into the slider part and lock everything together, but then you will not be able to change the size of the headband. Second way is my way, which won't affect the way how you can change the headband size of the headphones. As you can see, on one side the headband slider is already broken. On the other side it is only a little crack for now, but if you don't fix it, it will break more. To do this repair, you will need some paper tissue, superglue, insulation tape, a match and scissors. The first task is to carefully open the slider and use the tip of the match to apply glue to the edge of the slider body, but definitely not put the glue to the moving part, because you definitely don't want the headphones to stick together and not be able to adjust the headphone size. So be careful when applying the glue there. Then press the housing together so that it glued together. You can clean off the glue that has squeezed out. If you are afraid that the headband mechanism may stick, slowly move the headband in and out until the glue hardens. Once the glue has hardened, wrap insulation tape over the top. This will give extra strength and the headband will last a long time. I think this is a good way to save $100 without buying new headphones. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe and like buttons to keep me and my grandma happy. Good luck, my friend.